welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Arabella Hair. I love collaborating with them because I have had some of my most beautiful blonde wigs were from Arabella Hair. Love that they're back. Hopefully they stay a while. Now let's talk about what I have installed today. What I have installed today is a 26-inch 13x4 the wavy blonde khaki highlight wig, and the density is 180%. Even though it's transparent, I would say it's more like a HD transparent lace. So this wig comes pre-styled already, pre-plucked hairline, and it is a glueless wig, so it does have a glueless band inside. And it also has like a little breathable section in the top because, you know, outside is hot. If you're about to be outside, you need a comfortable wig that you're not going to sweat off. Cap, it is their breathable cap. Love that. So summertime when she's hot, you're not gonna be hot. Pretty full from the back too, guys. So I'm just mapping out where I'm going to be cutting the lace right now.
Tell me, what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how?
Same thing goes for this side.
Your sound when you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act?
Making sure that it's a perfect fit. Do you see like why it's important to detail? Okay, so for the styling product, I'm gonna go in with this product. Okay, this is a melting holding spray. So what I'm going to do is just pour some in this like bottle cap. Basically, I'm going to be using it as like liquid glue. You can get it on AliExpress and you can also get it on Temu.
What's left for me when it all ends?
I would typically remove my makeup, but the lace is a bit transparent, so I want some makeup to go through. And when you're applying your blonde wigs, you really got to take your time, because if you're rushing the process, it's gonna look very sloppy and messy. Because slow and steady wins the race.
It's disaster in the making, how easily we break. We're all diamonds in the rough, but no one's gonna call your bluff. You need someone you can trust to tell you when you.
I don't like to use the spray nozzle because it does kind of go everywhere. So we're pretty much there. I'm just gonna do this portion off camera and then come back. Okay. I don't know, I'm feeling kind of hopeful that this is gonna work out. Let's cross our fingers. I don't know. The color is something that I haven't really tried in a minute or at all, so we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna melt her down.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to.
We don't have a melted down for an hour time. Okay. At least this side looks really good.
But somehow the feeling still strong. Like I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good.
You can also use this melting spray for your edges and your sideburns. Okay, it's in the middle part. I'm middle part Kez. I'm gonna leave it in the middle part. I'm wondering if I put the wig too far back today. Ugh, it's too late now. I just gotta go with that forehead I gave myself. Some baby hairs. I think I do need some baby hair.
Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls, right? But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how I stand now.
What I like to do with my blonde wigs is go in and make a brown part because you just can't see it. I'm gonna go in with some brownish skin-like color. Define my part. So it does come curled already, so technically you could just comb her out. Add some layers.
But I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you, of you. So tell
I'm just gonna spray it with some water, recurl it, and then hit it with my round brush.
En la vida me he enchulado y como tú no hay nadie más. Tú un porro y los demás jamás. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no es tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no es tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Me gustan así de rica pa' que la vean. Sin dedo santo en la piel, pero es atea. Yo la pongo a creer en
So to comb out the curls a little bit, to smoothen them, I'm gonna go in with some BioSilk and just kind of run it through my hands, and then whatever is left, then go in on the ends.
Ahora a las 7 que salgo, yo con Maretini. No sabe inglés, pero siempre dice roll witty. Mezcla de paisa con diosa de Santorini. Un beso tuyo más chimba que un fili. Ese es el feeling. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer, yeah. Aunque tan rica no es tu nivel, yeah. A la única que le quiero ser fiel. Como pa' llenarte de Chanel, yeah. Un chorro de niña y tú una mujer.
Look at the highlights. That is the khaki color. You can see there's like different shades of blonde, and the blonde pieces are very ashy and very beautiful. It is a really pretty wig. If you're not into blondes and you think like, well, I've been thinking about trying a blonde wig, this is that color, because this has all the colors that complement skin tones like my own or even darker. It fits very comfortable. It looks really nice. The curls are relatively soft, still textured enough to the point where it will hold and maintain somewhat of a curl, so I like that. Let me know what you guys think of the install. Would you try something like this at home? If you would and you want to try this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. It's very pretty. If there's a discount code, of course, I'm gonna leave it in the description box for you. I gotta go. I'll catch you guys later in another review real soon. Bye.